of the challenges I see for procurement in 2017 in a hospital overall is HIPAA and the business associate agreements that are in place for those organizations and or vendors and companies in supply chain. We have just launched a new offering that really pinpoints the weaknesses and the gaps for hospitals, specifically in supply chain. If you can imagine how many vendors walk in and out of the OR or cardiac cath lab, all those vendors who have access to hospitals' PHI information, the laptops they use, the iPads, how they protect your information, we see that there's a huge vulnerability within supply chain and business associates. And to the extent that hospitals have VIE agreements and require the vendors to protect the data, we believe that the hospitals have to go even further to understand everybody in the organization or that company that has their PHI information, signing waivers, adding extra riders of insurance to cover the hospital. In my experience and in my observation, you can see the flow of companies and vendors that are holding literally PHI information and walking in and out of the hospital. And to me, that's a big risk to a hospital. In addition, companies who perform accounts payable audits, companies that have access to your invoices, many of those invoices have patient data on it. And so we don't think that just pulling invoices is a risk, but it's an enormous risk for hospitals because many of those invoices have patient names. And so you've got vendors or companies that you've hired to perform various different tasks or initiatives, copying, scanning, and taking that data out. And do you know if they have an encrypted laptop? Do you know if they're taking that data and leaving it on their conference room table? And what guardrails have you put in place to protect your patient information? And so I welcome anyone to give us a call. We have a very unique supply chain BAA assessment that really shows hospitals really where their gaps are and how to close it and really protect themselves from those risks probably present in most hospitals.